let's say you have a baby today, and to take maximum advantage of the power of compound interest over time, you immediately start putting away $100 a month into an IUL. Right away, your child is now covered with over $230,000 in permanent life insurance coverage with living benefits. And that's a pretty nice side benefit. And that financial foundation you establish today will continue to grow with your child over the years and be available throughout their lifetime for whatever they need or whatever they want to use it for. Plus, if they don't access that money around retirement, that IUL conservatively projected to hit well over $1 million of cash value. At any age, your kid can turn a tax-free income stream that will last the rest of their lifetime, no matter how long they live. For example, at age 67, the annual income is over $67,000. And since the income increases each year, by age 80, the annual income is of over $133,000. Remember, all these tax-free. All these considering that all the contributions until age 66 is of only $79,200. The point is that they have options, and the IUL is the most flexible savings vehicle for children on the market. And the best time to plant that seed is today.